Good morning! Breakfast for today. I believe if you're eating breakfast and you're working, eat like a king. Yes, rice and Taiwanese sausage plus coffee. Yumminess. Coffee's life. Okay. Today is like 28 degrees Celsius here. So drink more water to keep hydrated, to prevent dehydration. Put sunscreen on your face and on your body. Yeah, light colors lang para okay. And yun, kagabi hindi ako nakatulog. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Ewan ko ba. Pero natulog ako. Putol-putol. Tulog ako ng 7 to 10. Tapos, nagmuni-muni. Tapos, yun, nakatulog ako mga alauna na. Hanggang alas 5. Kaya yun, good luck sa trabaho ko. Sana hindi ako matoxic. It's 7:01 a.m. here. Anyways, life is good. We have to be thankful for everything. Yeah, life is good. We have to be thankful for everything.